What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at this futuristic contraction. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's got these crazy numbers. It's got this almost metallic looking finish with a screen on the front. Believe it or not, this here is a timer. Exactly. Now, this here is TickTime, currently funding right now, so if you guys wanted your own, check out their link down below in the description. So very briefly, the way it works is quite interesting. Each side has a number. Based on the number you place to the top, pointing upwards, that will indicate the timer at the moment. So right now it is at 10 minutes. So it'll go ahead and go down, and then you can go ahead and hear a beep, and you can go ahead and reset it by simply rotating it just like this. Now, in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The following video is sponsored by Discussion Bar, a Chrome extension for YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus, allowing creators and users to chat and watch content in sync at the same time. To download it for your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the box that they sent us. It's actually pretty fairly sized. It says TickTime here, and you got a variety of different numbers throughout it. But yeah, just go ahead and open it up just like this. And there is our TickTime. Okay, so it looks like that is that. And then we have ourselves a user manual, kind of explaining how to go ahead and use it step by step. But it's pretty straightforward for what it is. So this here is how it looks. All right, so this here is our TickTime. You can see on each of these panels here, there's a number. The number correlates to a time. So for instance, if I wanted 10 minutes, I just go ahead and put it down just like this. And then if I look at the screen, you'll see that the timer is now going for 10 minutes. So based on whatever you're using, so this is 30, look at the screen again, now it's at 30. So you can go ahead and simply just kind of put it based on what you want, just like that, and then it'll go ahead and start our clock. Now you always could go ahead and manually and put your own numbers in there by simply pressing the dials. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see how this 3-minute timer works and fast forward. All right, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the thing is immediately flashing all over. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks pretty cool. So it actually, all the lights were going on and the timer's back to 0. So kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Definitely very futuristic and very cool for those people that like to tell time or set up timers. I can imagine being a great way to use it in class, or you know, essentially like for your kids. So like, yep, you only get 30 minutes of playtime. Just go and put that down. Once it beeps, it beeps. But yeah, they can easily go ahead and just kind of rotate it like this and get an extra 10 minutes. But yeah, kind of give you an idea what that's about. Definitely very cool.